Ladies, gentlemen, and young friends, welcome to MP Birla Planetarium, Kolkata. Since the early dawn of civilization, the human mind has been fascinated by the night sky. After observing the stars for generations, the ancients built monuments that served as giant calendars and observatories. Built nearly 4,000 years ago, Stonehenge in England may have been an early observatory. Ancient Mayans built this pyramid in roughly 81,000 to use it as an observatory and calendar to keep track of celestial movements and the passage of time. But the space age has changed some of our past understanding about the cosmos. Let us begin our time from the sunset hour over the western horizon of Kolkata. The twilight sky informs us that darkness will set in soon. In the faint remaining light of the day, lighted dots appear in the sky. Now we are seeing the night sky in all its glory. Standing on the shore of the cosmic ocean, we are looking at the star-studded space sea. It seems to be inviting us. If we notice carefully, we will find that some stars are a little bigger and they are not twinkling as others. Ages ago, our early ancestors saw these lights moving in silent, graceful arcs, from night to night, from month to month. These were the wanderers, the planets. We now know that these planets are distant, beautiful worlds illuminated by our parent star, the Sun. As time passes, the whole sky appears to move from east to west. It is, however, not the sky that is moving, but our Earth revolving from west to east. Only one star remains fixed in the star-studded tapestry, the pole star, or Kolkata Tara. From Kolkata, it can be located at a height of about 22 degrees from the horizon in the north. Out of the randomly scattered stars in the night sky, our ancestors tried to find patterns that would enable them to understand the cosmic design. They observed that the star positions relative to each other remained constant throughout the year. In order to create a sense of direction in the sky, they grouped closely located stars into several patterns and joined them with imaginary lines. Man, in this vivid imagination, grouped these irregularly placed stars scattered across the night sky into recognizable patterns called Tara mandal or constellations. The ancient sky map assisted mankind through millennia in positioning, navigation, and understanding the concept of time. Mythical stories revolved around these constellations, and ancient sky gazers slowly began to associate them with the changes of seasons, floods, and times to sow and harvest crops. Of all the constellations that we can see in the night sky, one of the prominent ones is Orion or Kalpurush. This distinctly visible star pattern represents Orion, the invincible hunter from Greek mythology. Three bright stars in a straight line that make the belt of the hunter has endured significance to mankind across several lands and cultures. Among the other constellations present in today's sky are Ursa Major or Great Bear constellation. In India, a part of this is called Saptarshi, Cassiopeia, the Queen, Taurus, the Bull, Cygnus, the Swan. With the advancement of technology, humans now have the power to look beyond these stars into the dark depth of space, a region which cannot be seen through our naked eyes because of its immense distance. The universe has opened up in front of us with its vast variety of objects and events of unimaginable characters and nature. With all this knowledge, we humans have tried to understand the cosmic progression of events, the origin and evolution of celestial bodies, and identified their colorful, enigmatic presence in the night sky. In our never-ending quest to understand the vast universe, we gaze toward the eternal night sky and continually reach outward to explore the unknown mystery.
Since the dawn of humanity, we have gazed up at the stars, dreaming one day perhaps to reach them. And if we are to outlive our planet, we will need to make this dream a reality. With modern technology, we can travel beyond Earth's atmosphere, but this isn't all new science. We are benefiting from the discoveries of generations of scientists, reaching back into history. ancient civilizations carefully observed the movements of objects across their skies. Associating stars and planets with their gods, they imagined these held power over human lives. Thousands of years ago, Mesopotamian scholars developed new ways to understand and predict these celestial movements. By grouping stars into constellations and dividing angles into degrees, they were able to track the relative paths of sun and moon across the zodiac to predict eclipses, a feat giving them apparently godlike powers of prophecy.
वहाँ पे रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुई थी, रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुई देखो नहीं कैमरा नहीं कर रहा इधर वाले कैमरा नहीं ठीक है
Believing the motions of planets and stars controlled human fates through astrological influence, ancient people were eager to calculate their movements. The science of astronomy was born from this need, with astronomy originally seen as the servant of the more highly regarded field of astrology. However, astronomy had other uses too, and developed beyond the bounds of astrology. By 3000 BC, the Egyptians were charting time using a calendar based on a 365-day year, and day divided into 24 hours. Meanwhile, astrology continued to influence the decisions of rulers, offering a sense of control in an unpredictable world. It was used to guide decisions from when to plant crops to when to launch wars, giving astrologers great power. Astrology remained important until the 17th